Have you ever tried to set up a tunnel with ngrok, only to be met with an error page saying, "Failed to complete tunnel connection"? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If this sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to troubleshoot this issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when you're ready to share your local server with the world, and then you hit a wall. You're not alone in this. Many users face this exact problem when using ngrok. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user recently reported encountering the ngrok error page stating, "Failed to complete tunnel connection." This can happen for various reasons, and today we will explore those together. So what could be causing this error? It often stems from issues like incorrect configuration, network restrictions, or even firewall settings. Don't worry, we will break it down step by step to find the solution. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the ngrok error page indicating a failed tunnel connection, the user should first check their internet connection. A stable connection is essential for ngrok to function properly. Next, the user should verify that ngrok is properly installed and up to date. They can do this by running the command to check the version of ngrok. After confirming the installation, the user needs to ensure that they are using the correct port for the tunnel. This means checking the local server's port number that ngrok is trying to connect to. If the user is still facing issues, they should check for any firewall or security software that might be blocking ngrok's connection. Temporarily disabling such software can help identify the problem. Finally, if all else fails, the user can try restarting ngrok or their local server. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connection issues. Fun fact, did you know that ngrok was originally created to help developers expose their local servers for testing? It's a powerful tool, but like any tool, it can have its hiccups. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user encountered the same ngrok error while working on a Rails app. They discovered that the issue was not with ngrok itself, but rather because their local server wasn't running. They simply needed to start their Rails app by using the command rails-s. Once they did that, ngrok worked perfectly. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests that the ngrok error occurs when your local server isn't running. They recommend starting your server first and checking both the server and ngrok ports. Let's move forward and look at another answer. One user faced the same ngrok error, even with their local server running. They found a solution by adjusting the ngrok command. Instead of using the host header rewrite option, they changed it to specify the host directly. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution from another user suggests trying a different command. They recommend using http ngrok 80 to establish the tunnel connection. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution from another user suggests that you should start your local server before running ngrok. For example, they use the command service apache2 start to initiate their local server. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always double-check your configurations and keep your local server running before starting ngrok. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to resolve the ngrok tunnel connection issue. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into ngrok features.